In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your healthy and nutritious soy milk. Soy milk is a plant-based non-dairy beverage. It can be consumed as an alternative to milk and is made from soybean. It is also rich in protein and is balanced in fats and carbs. So instead of buying from the market, prepare one for your family and enjoy a healthy living. If this sounds like something you've been wanting to hear or learn, please join the family by subscribing to the channel. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish an amazing videos like this. With that said, let's get started. First of all, get a sizable bowl, put the soybean to stay for 24 hours, then you wash it the next day. The next day is already here. Get a bowl that is sizable enough, pour the swollen soybean and start washing it as you can see in the video. The essence of washing it is to remove the skin. You wash it the same way you wash your beans, which is used to prepare moi moi. This is what the skin looks like, so I'm going to show you how I removed mine. This is the result of the washing. You have to remove the skin. In as much it's kind of difficult, try and remove it. The reason is that if you leave the skin with it, it tends to sour and your efforts becomes a waste. So get a blender ready. We're not entering the main business now. Stay tuned and watch the end. This is the result. Make sure to remove the skin. To add the desired quantity, add your water to ease it to blend smoothly. Please pardon me for not doing much talk. The video is just practical and my practical training is just self-explanatory. Even if there arose a confusion within you, please leave it at the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. Thanks. Take your spoon, scoop a small quantity to check if the seed can still be found in it. If there's presence of seed, continue blending. If at the process of blending and it is still thick, add a little quantity of water to release the thickness. You can also use a finger to know if it has formed the paste. If it hasn't, you can continue blending. It is now time to sieve. So when you've got into your sieve, you start squeezing it. Continue squeezing it till your milk is dried up. If you feel there is still milk in it, add the water and continue squeezing it. So get a pot and pour it. One thing you should bear in mind is that when you start cooking it, do not leave that arena. You have to stay there till it is done. And also, do not cover the pot, because when you cover the pot, it tends to rise and pours everywhere. It offs your gas or whatever you're using cooking it, and you start cleaning all over again. There is something I'm going to show you should look out for when you're cooking it. Once you start seeing that, you should bear in mind that it's already getting done. You should look out for residues that look like blots. Yeah, don't mind the flame. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Something like this. When you start seeing something like this, just bear in mind that your soy milk is already done. Our soy milk is done. Hope you benefited from the video. Before you leave, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it right now so that you can be notified when I post amazing videos like this. Okay friends, bye.